Hi, welcome to the Backcountry Health Rehab video library. Today we'll be going over how to do a single arm banded scapular depression exercise to work on scapular control and shoulder stability. The banded scapular depression is a subtle movement that is great for developing scapular control and shoulder stability and correcting some of the dysfunction we commonly see in the shoulder and mid to upper back. For this exercise, attach a band overhead on a bar or beam, or tie a knot in a resistance band and close it into the top of a door. Make sure the band is secure. Start from standing and reach high to grab the resistance band. Hold on to the band as you kneel down to the floor, and then relax your shoulder and allow the band to pull your arm up and shoulder up towards your ear. From here, keep your arm fully extended and elbow straight as you simply pull your shoulder blade down and back, like you're trying to put your shoulder blade into your back pocket. Don't be concerned about the limited range of motion on this exercise or be tempted to turn it into a banded pull down or row. Focus instead on isolating and controlling your shoulder blade as you pull it down and back into scapular depression. In this clip, you can see the range of motion we are looking for in the shoulder blade. To make this exercise more difficult and also work on keeping a flat back as you hinge slightly at the hips, you can perform the banded scapular depression from a bent over position, as shown here. This will cue you to keep your shoulders down and back and have a neutral spine during the fundamental hip hinge movement pattern that is important for many sports and activities of daily living.